Coco got a corn dog on her 4th of July birthday. Vegan. Fabulous, I guess. You got the pizza first? Not yet, no. The drinks await over there. Huh? That's the adult brownie favorite. That's your pizza. With artichoke hearts. Soy cheese. One bite. The cake. The Rice Krispie Tower. I think it's a hit. She had the regular hot dog first, the chicken dog. I think and then corn dog. And then the pizza.
Yeah.
Oh, the adult brownie was in between there. Those Rice Krispie squares are really good. That one's got pecan butter on it, Coco. It's really delicious. Middle Eastern. That's the curry. There's a spoon there somewhere. Those things are tricky. Okay, the drinks are going to be in private. That's your beverage platter. Good job! That was delicious. That was your happy birthday feast. Whoa, that was a good burp. Another one.